How to see Netflix password on phone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up settings on a device. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on Google. Now wait for some time. Now tap on all services. Now scroll down. Now tap on autofill with Google. Now select your Now tap on continue. Now tap on Google Password Manager. Now scroll down, tap on source passwords. Now type Netflix. Now if you have ever now if you now if you ever now if you ever saved now if you now if you ever saved your Netflix password, it will appear here. Now if you ever saved your Netflix now if you ever saved your now if you ever saved your Netflix password, you can find it here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.